New box of goodies, RC drivers. How's everybody doing? Welcome to the RC Driver 2 channel. I'm Greg. I don't introduce myself enough, but yeah, we got some new stuff in to check out from Upgrade RC, and let's just get right into it, guys. So, Upgrade RC, they've got a lot of different upgrades. Part of the name, right? They have tires, decals, tools, and wheel adapters. And the tires that they did have, or do still have, are basher tires. And now they're getting into the crawler segment. So that's what they sent over for us to check out today. Lots of new tires, actually. So these are the Rock Claw 1.9. Pull these out of the bag and see what they're like. I haven't checked these out ahead of time yet, so I'm gonna open one of these up. Good for the teeth. And wow, these actually look pretty good. So this appears to be a pretty good tire for Class 2s. The lug pattern is pretty close together. The compound's pretty soft. This is a super soft red compound. And while I'm checking out the label, obviously it's for 1.9s and the outer diameter is 4.75. Yeah, they call it a Class 2 tire here. So that looks like a pretty cool tire. And then they have a really soft foam insert on the inside. So I'm gonna probably try that out on my Axial base camp. Now they got some more tires in here. These are also Rock Claw. So what's the difference between, these are softs. So you got your option is soft or super soft. That's why these felt so soft. More tires, so check this out. We've got a couple other treads maybe? No, just one other tread. These are the Razor Wire. These are also 1.9s, soft and super soft, so multiple compounds. These are a 5.0 outer diameter, 1.9, I said that before. So these are probably better for a competition built rig. Let's get these out of the bag so I can check these out. Not good for the teeth, especially since I just left the dentist. So look at that tread setup on that one. That's spaced out a lot farther, but that's gonna grab the rocks really well. This also has a soft insert in it. And yeah, different compound again. Let's see, they also have new inserts. So if you wanna swap out the insert, go dual stage. There you are, and feels like very soft on the outside, nice firm on the center. And then actually, oh, these guys are awesome. They sent some shirts as well. They do have some really cool looking apparel. Definitely check that out as well if you're interested in the tires, but I'm gonna go mount some of these up. I think I'm gonna throw these, again, on my base camp. Actually, I've got some brand new Vanquish wheels I could throw these on, and once I mount them up, I'll show you how they look on the trail. Change of plans, RC drivers. I was mounting the tires up on the base camp and it was gonna take too long to get the beadlocks together. I took a look at the weather report. It's gonna rain really soon. So I went and threw the Razor wires onto the stance here and even threw in the dual stage foam inserts. And we're just gonna see how this rig does. And spoiler, I've been driving it and it's like instantly hooked up even on these damp rocks. I mean, I have less than 5 minutes on these tires, and I have to say, I'm already impressed. I mean, I really can't drive anything up this rock right here, anything I bring here, and look at this. I mean, we got plenty of traction. That was no problem. There's another spot where it's just difficult to get rigs up, stock out of the box, ready to runs. And look at that, no problem. Pure traction. Then watch this, even the descent's gonna be pretty controlled. It's just pure grip. That's like perfect. One last climb to show you guys. I think I've only gotten 1 or 2 rigs up this spot right here. Nice forward momentum. Let those lugs grip. That was smooth. Those tires work really well. These are the super softs. Upgrade RC is definitely going to be a major player in tires going forward, man. These tires work well. I'll have links for them in the video description below. Saved it.